Hello everyone, my name is Yubin, and how you been? So, for today's video, I have prepared an unboxing video because my parents actually sent us two parcels a while ago, probably a few weeks ago, and I filmed the unboxing then, but I didn't get a chance to edit it and upload it, so that is what is coming to you today. And yeah, hopefully you enjoy. And there were quite a lot of goodies in the parcels, and I will also do a more in-depth haul kind of video coming soon as well. So look forward to that, and shall we get to the unboxing? Okay. I can't get the box open. How much is that? Anytime this century would be great. Finally, box number one is open. We have 10 packs of dried seaweed. Jeez, okay. 10 packs of seaweed. We have some tofu snacks now. Two packets. A bunch of ramen. Oh, 3 packs of tofu snacks. Some chestnuts. I love these little chestnuts. Oh, so much food. Some more snacks. Wow, makes me so happy. Chili powder. We have a bunch of Pocky as well now. I'm gonna get so fat. Oh, Jesus. Some bath stuff. Kind of like loofahs, but for your hands. They're like glove loofahs. Jeez. So my dad bought this, and it makes you look like a primary school student. It's a raincoat, and he bought it, and then he realized that he looked like an idiot, so he didn't want to be the only idiot in town, so he got us a matching set. So we have that. A bunch of t-shirts. Ah, sesame seeds. Because we go through a hella lot of sesame seeds. I don't know what this is. I think this is sesame seed powder, but I'm not sure. We have those. And what's this? Ah, like fish sauce. Some soy sauce as well, like Japanese soy sauce. Some Is it like chili oil? I think this is chili oil. I think this is also soy sauce, but I'm not sure. Oh, Dobbin, your book came. Dobbin. A recipe book for Dobbin. Okay. My parents also sent us some Korean pancake mixes. Oh. And then we have a whole bunch of skincare products. So we have some cleansing foam, moisturizers, another cleansing foam refill. The hell is this? Oh, I think this is like antiseptic. It says it's iodine, so I don't know. We have some antiseptic. Oh no! It exploded! 어떡해? Cream exploded! Oh dear. Okay. We're gonna have to clean that up. But my moisturizer came. But it also exploded, so I'm gonna need to clean that. Oh dear. Okay. Lovely. Oh, a toner. Some toner pads. Makeup. I will do a more detailed one, don't worry. Another raincoat. Some more toners and cleansers. A Cica ampoule. What do you call this? It's like a plaster, but not really a plaster. It just helps you not get any scars from any cuts. And we also have some clothes. A bunch of socks. A sweater. I don't know whose is whose at this point. A few trousers. And another sweater. Another. Are these trousers? Just clothes in general. Another sweater. And some more socks. And that is the end of box 1. Rightio, box 2. Some more dried seaweed. We got more socks, some more t-shirts, and a bunch of more snacks. Oh, these are so good. I'm gonna get so fat. What are these? I bloody love these little cakes. Oh, these are one of my favorites. We have corn chips. Oh, Jesus. They're like rice crackers, but savory. I'm gonna have to do a snack haul. There's so many. 이거 하나 줄까? 찹쌀. I didn't even request these when Mommy and Daddy sent them. Oh, this makes me so happy. What is this? Oh, a sauce bottle. I'm assuming that's for cooking. These are like peanut sandwich biscuits. Oh, these are so good as well. I'm not gonna stop eating. Another one of the cakes. Makeup and like spot gel stuff. What's this? A cleansing foam. Some more seaweed. I don't think this must have come in packaging. Makeup. Three big packs of ramen, followed by another 3 big packs of ramen. Oh, pajamas. What the hell is this? I think this must be some bath product. Some more socks. We are nearing the end, by the way. Some more moisturizer. Dried shrimps. Wow, okay. So this is just dried squid, and then this one's like a peanut butter dried squid. Sounds lovely. My parents also sent us triangle kimbap seaweed, specifically made for samgak kimbap. Okay. Another one of the dried shrimps. Some more dried squid, but not flavored. Okay. And seasoned roasted monkfish. Never tried that before. Have I? No, I haven't. We also got beef leg bone soup so that Darwin doesn't have to slave hours and hours over getting stock. And last but not least, my mom's homemade maneljong, which I'm very excited to eat. And that is the end of the unboxing, guys. I am knee deep in stuff from Korea, and I will also do a more detailed one later on at some point, probably for the snacks and the clothes, let's be honest. So that is it for the unboxing. And now I actually have to go and tidy all this up. Yay me. Can we just look at how much stuff there is? It's so much. Okay, now I have to go and tidy all this up. Thanks, Mum and Dad. I appreciate this. Okay, I'm gonna go tidy. Bye! So hopefully you enjoyed this unboxing haul video. And from what I remember, I was unboxing the parcels in the living room, and Davin and Sean were actually both working that day, and they were taking calls and calling other people. So it was pretty hectic because every single time they took a call, I had to just, you know, put a pause on recording and just sit there for a bit. So it took a lot longer than it should have done, but hopefully you enjoyed it and enjoyed all the goodies that were in the parcels as well. And like I said, I will give a snack review because we got so many snacks that my parents sent us, and also skincare and some of the clothes as well. So yeah, and for the Korean word of the day, shall we do the word for thank you, because manners maketh man, and women as well. So the Korean word for thank you, oh my gosh, the sun is blinding. But the Korean word for thank you is informally 고마워, 고마워, and formally it's 감사합니다. So 감사합니다. So yeah, thanks to my parents for sending us the parcels, because I'm pretty sure it took a hell of a lot of money, because sending stuff overseas and abroad, especially during COVID times, is, I'm told, very expensive. So 엄마 아빠 고맙고 사랑해요, because my parents watch all my videos. So thanks, Mum and Dad. And with that, hopefully you enjoyed today's video and the unboxing, and a detailed one will be coming to you soon. And I will also be uploading tomorrow, so, which is probably why I will be wearing the same thing, because I'm just in my pajamas all day. But anyway, hopefully you enjoyed this video, and hopefully I will see you guys all again soon. Bye!